Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI, and this is the MIYCOO cooler backpack. This is an awesome cooler backpack. I've been looking for one that has a double portion here for a while, and I have found the perfect one. You're going to love it. So some of my favorite features is the fact that it has two sections here. One can be for your heavier stuff at the bottom, and then the top I put sandwiches, things that I don't want to get smashed. I also like that I can do things like towels and my phone, sunglasses, anything that you need up here, and then just use this bottom portion as a cooler. I also like this breathable mesh that they have on the back, and it does come with a bottle opener and also a place to store your sunglasses or things that you want to hang from the backpack. It has a front pocket here so you can easily access keys or anything that you need. And these side pockets are the biggest side pockets I've ever seen in a backpack. As you can see here, I can fit 2 sunscreens, no problem. You can fit pretty much any size drink, cooler that you need, and it works out really well. I also like the weight of this. So this is less than 2 pounds. It's very lightweight, but I also really enjoy the fact that this lasts all day. It is rated for 22 hours, so it is well insulated, well made, and the zippers are also really well insulated here. So you can see it's not your traditional zipper. It actually closes all the way from the outside and seals it tight. So it keeps all that cool air inside. If you are looking for a cooler backpack, not only is this practical, but it functions really well. So that is my point of view.